Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gyan Ka Safar 0.7. How are you doing, all my dear friends? I hope that you all will be doing well and you all will be fit and fine. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about very interesting topics. If you will watch this full video, really definitely you will get to learn many more things related to English language. Because in this day, as you have been watching the craze of English, day to day the craze of English language is increasing, so that's why it's very necessary to learn. Because if you will not learn this language, you have to face a lot of problems in your future, in your life. So do not deny it and do not ignore it. Try to take it seriously and pay more attention towards learning this language. Give the value, okay? Because if you will not give the value in this day, you will have to face a lot of problems. If you want to get any kind of jobs, or if you want to get good jobs in any company or any sector, for that you have to introduce yourself, or you have to talk with all of the workers or leaders or the owners in English. But at that moment, at that time, you will not be able to talk with them, you will not be able to communicate with them. Then you will miss the bus, you will miss the golden opportunity, you will miss the chance to get a good job and to survive a peaceful and happy life. That's why, my dear friends, I have a small request to all of you that please watch this video till the end, because in this video I will tell you many more things. This video is going to be very informative for all of you, basically for the beginners. If you are a beginner and you don't have idea like how to start speaking, how to speak, how to start thinking, how to start speaking or communicating with others, then definitely this video is going to help you a lot, and definitely 100% you will get to learn more and more things. So without any further ado, let's start the video. My dear friends, for learning any kind of language, what the first thing which is required, that is called environment. Yes, environment plays important role. Without having environment, you will not be able to learn and speak any language. What does it mean by environment? Environment means, my dear friends, there should be the people, friends, or the circle of your friends, they must speak in English. You can talk with them in English. It is called environment, atmosphere. If you have this kind of friends or guidance, to help them, definitely you are gonna learn this language very soon. But here the problem is that, yeah, if you will create environment, you will find the friends, but if you don't have the ideas or knowledge about English, then how will you start speaking? So for that, first thing is that you must learn or read some basic things of grammar. That will really help you a lot in your speaking journey. Because without having knowledge, without having ideas, how will you be able to talk with others? If you don't know how to form sentences, if you don't know how to make sentences, how will be possible to share your point of views or convey your message to others? That's why read some basic things of grammars and remember more and more vocabs, because vocabulary is the root of English. Without having vocabs, you will not be able to form sentences, you will not be able to share your point of views, thoughts, opinion. So remember more and more vocabs. So how you can remember, how you can get or enhance your vocab power? For that, you have to watch videos, conversational videos, short movies, cartoons, TV series, anything in which you are interested, you can do or you can watch it. Okay, as according to your choice, you can watch or you can enhance or gain more and more vocab power. And after that, try to do practice. Practice is more important in order to become a fluent English speaker. Any language, if you want to learn, for that you have to practice a lot. just try to practice more and more. If you don't have friends in the beginning initially, then try to talk in front of your phone, in front of the camera. Just start recording and try to talk in front of the camera and record yourself and analyze all the things. Are you able to speak all the things clearly? Where you are making mistakes, just identify it and correct it. And after that, doing this thing day by day consistently, sure one day you are gonna learn this language very soon. So my dear friends, how was the video? If you got informative in this video, please like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Till then, have a good day. Take care of yourself, take care of your family. Bye bye my dear friends.